Right there. And only here on this. On here. Right here. But I mean, the vibration could be coming from inside the motor through this and it's touching this. But it's right there. Whatever it is. You don't think it's a valve?
Well, my valves were way off on the Eclipse and they didn't sound that bad. Like, it didn't sound like that. It sounded more like just a loud chatter, like pinging. Of course, I mean, this is a completely different engine. I don't know. I don't know what would have caused it to start doing that.
I don't either. It's a knock.
It sounds like spark knock or something. Possibly spark knock. Because a rod knock is completely different. It's like it's loud. That sounds like maybe. Huh?
Give it more gas.
I don't know about that. That might